Yes, royal family, we're right here with the giraffes. Right here with the giraffes.
No food, no.
And this our Ethiopian Christmas tour, royal family. So as I said, there's so many things that we have seen today alone, and we just start here at Unity Park. Now we're observing the giraffes. We're in the zoo region. We just saw some massive lions, some massive cheetahs, the bleeding heart baboons. We just came out of the aviary where we had the beautiful birds. It was a very nice experience. And now we are observing the giraffes. This is obviously a very tall giraffe. It's so outstanding that we even miss out the fella in between them. Kudo, one of those kind of, yeah, like that, no problem. Wildebeest over there. I wonder what happens when it's migration time. If the census
Get the
kicks
drive.
yeah, they run go somewhere. But domestication or be domesticated, does that to you take away to that kind of. But you can always click back in, That's why they tell you don't be keeping tigers and lions as pets. Because they can just flip. The family just showing you the giraffes. This is all a part of the environment here at Unity Park, outside of the palaces of Menelik II and the throne room of Haile Selassie. And so many things we've seen so far. This is just, in tune with nature.
You don't know what kind of fish.